What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we are back with the M2 and today we're going to installing our first mod to the car. So I have these door lights here from Open Throttle and that's what we're going to be installing today. Because I mean, this is an M car. You want to be reminded that you're sitting in an M car and there's like M right there. There's M right there on the dash if it pops up. There you go. There's M right here, and then obviously the M2 badge at the back, but right here is empty. So I feel like these lights can easily fix it. Let's get to unboxing. So right here, this is the box that they send you, Open Throttle, and if we open it up, here are the actual puddle lights that you get. Open it up like this, see, puddle lights, and then you obviously get your instructions, and then this is the installation tool that they give you. So without further ado, let's see how we're gonna install this. So here's the door open, and we're just going to pop this out with the tool that they gave us, and it's going to be good. Should be a pretty simple install. And the instructions, they do give you instructions. It's all pretty clear. You have all the tools, so this should be pretty good. Let's get to it. So right here, we're underneath the car to remove the light. You're gonna also need a little trim remover tool. Makes it easier removing the light. And I've already gone ahead and removed the little like cover piece using this. It was pretty simple, but we just need to pop out the light down and then plug this one in, and we should be good. Plug the wire. But yeah, there we go. We have the old one out. Pretty simple. And then we're just going to plug the new one in. So take your new one and go ahead and plug it in. There you go, we got the new one plugged in, and we're just going to clip on this in. Just like that. There we go. All right, we got one side done there, so I just want to show you guys a before and after. So let's turn off the lights. So this is before, nothing there. Now let's walk around to the other side of the car, and this is the after. Boom! That looks 10 times better. That's actually so sick. So now we just have to do the other side. All right, now we're on the other side now. Now we're just gonna do this, literally repeat this process on the other side for this side. Got the cover off. Light is popped off. Let's go ahead and unplug it, just like that. Here's the new one. Make sure it's facing properly. And plug it in. There we go, we got it plugged in. Now all we have to do is just clip it in, and we should be done. There we go. All clipped in. Now let's check if it works. There we go. It works. Here is the final product. They're very bright, very good quality, but I'll let you guys know how they do in the future. So I have to say this is a very good first mod. I really like it personally. It looks really good just on the floor. Gives that little extra kind of like touch to it, personal touch I guess you can say. But it was really good. But that's gonna be all it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in and coming along, installing my first mod on the M2. If you guys enjoyed, please smash that subscribe button, hit that like, hit the bell notification so you don't miss when I upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.